Welcome to the MSAI Connect Workstation dashboard, your gateway to real-time thermal imaging and asset reliability management. The workstation dashboard hosts live video feeds in a customizable grid format. Adjust the number of columns by clicking Modify Layout and inputting the preferred number of columns. A red box appears around a video when a region of interest or ROI has detected a temperature anomaly. Simply double-click a video to display it in full screen mode. Pause or play the video feed at will. Double-click again to exit full screen mode. Clicking the Alerts icon lets users access previous alerts for the selected device. Gain insights into the event by viewing a screenshot of the alert, play a clip of the alert in the Playback tab, or watch a live feed. Users may also send an email, request a work order, and more. Access ROI data by clicking the Video Playback icon. Filter thermal data by customizing the date, or choose whether to display minimum, in, or maximum temperatures. Users can choose which ROIS are visible using the checkboxes. Hover on the graph for details and enhance your view of thermal data by zooming and scrolling. Need to investigate past events? Retrieve historical data in the Playback tab by inputting the date and time. This feature can be especially useful for identifying and diagnosing causes of mechanical or electrical failures and other reliability issues. Keep operations running smoothly, safely, and reliably with MSAI Connect's comprehensive asset reliability platform. Visit us at www.multisensorai.com.